In this example, assume I had an ACL surgery. So here I will click ACL. My ACL was surgically repaired with a patellar tendon graft. So here I will click patellar tendon. Here I will input the information regarding my gender, date of birth, and surgery date. For the sake of this video, my surgery was 2 months ago today, which is March 4th, 2021. Now, based on the surgery or injury date that I just entered, the app is going to start me at a specific stage based on a customized recovery protocol. I need to make sure that this stage that is chosen for me is correct where I am in terms of my own recovery. The stage that the app suggests for me is stage 8. Going into this stage, I need to make sure, are the exercises and goals of this stage appropriate for me? How to do this, you look at the exercises that have been given to you. Here, I will show you how to look at the exercises, where you click on the video, and you can see the exercise being performed, as well as the sets and reps required to complete them. In order to make sure these exercises are reasonable for you, go through the morning, afternoon, and evening exercise checklist to see if these exercises could be performed by you at your current capabilities. After looking at the exercises, make sure to look at the stage goal by clicking up top. These stage goals must align with where you are currently at in your rehab. If these seem reasonable for you, great. This is the stage that you should begin your rehab journey with. If these seem too difficult, let's go back to a past stage and see if this seems more reasonable. So go to past stages and let's go to stage 7. Doing the same thing that we did with stage 8, let's go through the exercises to see if these are reasonable for me. Once looking at the exercises, let's make sure the stage goals are appropriate for me. Looking at these stage goals, do these seem reasonable for me to complete? If yes, great, let's start at this level. If not, let's do what we just did and go back a stage to see if these stages are more appropriate. So let's go back to stage 6. So go to past stages, reveal earlier stages, and let's go up. Here, let's review the exercises. Do these seem reasonable for me to complete? Again, let's look at the stage goals. This is important to know if we are at a reasonable stage by looking at these stage goals. In my case, this looks reasonable for me to complete, so this is where I will begin my rehab journey with Curovate. I will click Start here and begin.